Okay, so E sounds, and we're focusing on E's that follow T's, okay? Each.
Each.
Teach.
Teach.
Good. Lee.
Lee.
T.
He.
So really lowering. You know when you say Lee, it automatically helps you to open your mouth more. And your focus becomes much lower. So the same should occur with T. T.
T.
Good. The difference is you have a little expulsion of air, so you have to kind of counter that. So obviously with Lee, it's much lower, so you're accessing the back more effectively. So with T, you just have to know that you're still expanding and allowing the sound to travel back afterwards. T's.
Tease.
Team.
Team.
Good. Teach.
Teach.
Good. Excellent. T.
T.
That was really good. Visibility.
Visibility.
So it's just that at the end we've kind of got a T rather than T. So it's kind of T going up rather than going down. E. It's almost like you swallow that sound. Say Lee again.
Lee.
Visibly.
Visibly.
Visibility.
Visibility.
Availability.
Availability.
You're swallowing the sound, so it is good. It's good that you're swallowing it, but yours is just a little bit tight. Ability.
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 T.
T.
E.
E.
Lee.
Lee.
Fee.
Fee.
Good. Leave.
Leave.
Teeth.
Tease.
Ability.
Ability. Ability.
Visibility.
Visibility.
Visibly.
Visibly.
Excellent. Amiably.
Amiably.
Good. Safety.
Safety.
Safely.
Safely.
Safety.
Safety.
That was much better. You're getting there. It's lots of practice. Well done.